All right, guys, so we are here in the Canton Fair. It's very exciting, and I'm looking at products I've never seen before. This is actually the gardening niche, and there's a lot of different gardening niche over there, anything to do with gardening, outdoor accessories, things in your backyard, that kind of thing. And on the other side, we've got kitchenware, right? Kitchenware, coffeeware, anything that's relatively new in the kitchen space is over on this side. Now, we've walked around, we've got a few students here who are actually walking around finding new products, and the kitchenware space is a good one because homewares are always in demand. They're always big niches because everyone needs a house, everyone needs, somewhere to stock their products and to store stuff in the kitchen. One big thing that I want to mention, if you're interested about coming to the Canton Fair, or maybe even join me, and as a student coming to the Canton Fair, is you need to be prepared, right? This is very important, right? Be prepared. You've got to have like 1,000 business cards. You've got to make contacts here that you can't do on Alibaba. On Alibaba, there's a lot of back and forward, and you're exchanging emails and exchanging, what's your MOQ, what's your cost per unit. But here, everything's done quite fast. You're sampling the product then and there. You're picking up the item. You're picking up the pot and the pan and the fry pan, and you're trying it out there. So they don't need to send you a sample. By coming to the fair, you can essentially sample test like 100 products at zero cost, right? You save a lot of time. You get to the point faster, and you cut deals. You can actually cut deals here that you can't cut online. So another important thing about the Canton Fair is you need to wear comfortable clothing, comfortable shoes. You need to basically be prepared to walk a lot because there's literally 200,000 people come to these. Now, Amazon sellers, importers, right? 200,000 people come to these events every single year. Now, we come here in April, May, and October, all right? Every single year, we're here with our students. Now, because there's 200,000 people here, right? There is 25,000 exhibitors. That's a lot of exhibitors, right? That's a lot of stores, a lot of potential suppliers for you and your Amazon store, right? There's a lot of people here. Anyway, come on, just follow me. Let's go and look at some products.
My name's Alex Ryan. Are you looking to build a business on Amazon? Are you looking for hot products to sell? If you are, let's get this started. The number one factor for success on Amazon comes down to your product. That's essentially it. It comes down to your product. If you don't have an awesome product, it's not going to sell. No matter how good your marketing is, it's just not going to sell.
Having never sold anything online before, I feel like I can actually get started and do it.
Product ideas, yeah, I've got many product ideas out of it. Alex has been able to show us how to define and redefine what products sell the best.
Alex is friendly, he's outgoing, he answers everything. He doesn't put you off about anything. Yeah, he's really good.
Listen, you've got two choices, right? You either make excuses or you make money. You can't do both, right? You either do one or the other. Now, personally, I would rather make money. I don't know about you, right? But that's something you got to commit to. Are you ready to make money? Are you committing to success? Are you ready to start your business on Amazon? Are you looking for advice or some training on setting up your Amazon business? Maybe you've been thinking about starting an Amazon business for a while, and the number one thing holding you back is you don't know the first steps. Maybe you're looking for product ideas. Maybe you're not too sure how to go about listing it on Amazon. Maybe you don't even know how to go about finding hot products or even suppliers on Alibaba, how to find good quality products, good quality suppliers, all right? So we find hot products in the room. We look at suppliers. We actually find suppliers in the room, all right? So make sure you bring a computer. We list products on Amazon in the room. So we actually do the entire thing at the 2-day training.
It's the first time I've met Alex face to face, and he came across as very much the way it is online, very heartwarming. He wants to be there for you, I get that. He's not just a come to my seminars and you'll never see me. No, it's very much you'll meet me face to face. Whatever I'm telling you online is what I'll be telling you in person.
I'd recommend this conference for anyone that's really considering the online environment. One of the things that really impresses is the way that they've taught us not only the sales side, but also how to source the products, and that's why I was attracted to the course in the first place. So anyone that's thinking of selling products online, this course would actually be beneficial.